Have you ever felt like your paycheck disappears the second it hits your account? Like you're stuck in an endless cycle of living paycheck to paycheck, while your dreams of financial freedom feel further away each month? It's time to stop letting your money control you. Today, we'll uncover the ultimate blueprint to create a budget that works, one that sets you up for success, wealth, and the life you've always dreamed of. And to make things even better, I've got a special gift for you, my free ebook, Simple Strategies to Take Control of Your Finances. This guide will help you save more, cut unnecessary expenses, and plan for a secure financial future. But there's a catch. It's password protected. Don't worry, I'll be revealing the password, digits one by one, throughout this video. Stick around to unlock your free copy. This video is not just about spreadsheets and numbers. It's about freedom to travel, to invest in your future, and to finally stop stressing about your bills. If that sounds good, stay with me. Oh, and here's the first digit of the password to your free ebook. It's 7. Make sure to jot it down. You'll need all 4 digits by the end of the video. Let's face it, the word budget doesn't exactly scream excitement. For some, it feels like a diet for your money, restrictive, boring, and full of sacrifices. But here's the truth. Budgets aren't about saying no. They're about saying yes to the things that matter most. They're about designing your dream life, not just surviving day to day. Point 1. The 50-30-20 rule. Did you know that 60% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings? Imagine what happens if your car breaks down tomorrow or you lose your job. Without a plan, financial emergencies can send you spiraling into debt. And trust me, that's a hole you don't want to climb out of. That's why strategies like the 50-30-20 rule are so powerful. It's simple, effective, and flexible. Here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to needs. These are non-negotiables like rent, groceries, and utilities. 30% is for wants, the fun stuff like dining out, Netflix, or splurging on that new gadget. 20% is for savings or paying off debt. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't Starbucks a need? Let's be real, caffeine might feel essential, but it's definitely in the wants category. Oh, and before we continue, here's the second digit of the password. It's 8. Point 2. Tracking expenses now. That you know where your money should go, let's figure out where it's actually going. Tracking your expenses is like getting a financial reality check, and sometimes it's not pretty, but trust me, you need this step. Think about it. Every dollar you don't track is a missed opportunity to save or invest. If you're spending $10 a day on lunch at work, that's $200 a month, enough to start a high-yield savings account or invest in an ETF. Actionable tip, apps like Mint, YNAB, you need a budget, or even a simple Google Sheet make tracking your expenses easy. Pick one and commit to logging your spending. For 30 days, you'll be shocked at what you discover. By the way, here's the third digit of the password. It's 4. We're getting closer. Point 3. Automating your finances. The best way to stick to a budget is to remove temptation altogether. That's where automation comes in. Automating your finances ensures you save first and spend only what's left. Here's the fun part. When you automate your savings, it grows without you even noticing. Set up direct deposits into a high-yield savings account or your 401k. Before you know it, you'll have an emergency fund, a vacation fund, and even an investment portfolio growing behind the scenes. Think of it as out of sight, out of mind, except instead of losing your keys, you're growing your wealth. Speaking of simplifying your life, here's the final digit of the password. It's 5. Now you have the full password, 7845. Use it to unlock your free ebook by clicking the link in the description. Start taking control of your finances today. By now, you've laid the foundation for financial success. But remember, a budget isn't just a tool. It's a mindset. It's about prioritizing your future over instant gratification. Imagine this. A year from now, you could have an emergency fund, investments working for you, and zero financial stress. The decisions you make today will either build your dreams or keep you stuck. So, which will it be? Start your budget today. Download the ebook, try the 50-30-20 rule, and commit to taking control of your money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more tips to help you build wealth and live the life you deserve. See you in the next video.